Hello, Internet. This is me again, Carlo Gino, your software developer, copy paste engineer, slash programmer. And today will be the 42nd day of my 100 Days of Code challenge. Yesterday, I did the supporting for unpublished blogs. And today, what I will do is just to update some styles of the blog page. I don't know what I was thinking yesterday, and I will convert this event in my portfolio. So if you're not aware, these are the events. Previously, it's just a list of a list of strings, and I will take advantage of the feature I discovered. So for example, this one, so I can actually use this the rich text editor to display it more more good or better, of course. So that's what I'm going to do. And also I might need I just realized that for these unpublished blogs, I actually have three kinds of publishing, like enum or type. The first one is the unpublished, the second is the published, and the third will be if the blog is currently published, but if I try to edit that, then there should be like an update pending status. But I forgot that, and I just set the values to be true or false if it's published or not, and that's a mistake on my part, but I guess I will not focus on that today. Okay, I'll just add here, add support for update pending blog, and this will be a front end and back end task. But today I will start with the updating of the blog page, though I'm not so sure what is it about. I have no idea on how to make it better, or if I don't have any idea, I can get one. Medium posts. Okay, how to use Medium. Okay, so here is an example. Okay, it's good because thank you, Len Rose Pearl, for liking the stream. Shout out to you. Okay, going back. I want this feature, but it's not okay. I declined it. If I hover it, it will be replaced by this this header. Actually, I had this, but I removed since it is buggy. I have no time, or I have time, but I'm too lazy to fix them. So for the blog post, one thing I noticed is that it is very narrow. There are lots of spaces. Okay, I guess it's a good thing because it's quite annoying to you to read with this too wide content. So that's one of the things that I will add here. I will add a checklist. Narrow blog content for large device. I have a viewer from Twitch. I'm wondering who is that, and also some other from Facebook, I think. Okay, good evening, guys from Singapore. Okay, I'll proceed with this. This one QL editor, but okay, wait. I'm trying to find the element which I can make smaller. Not this one. Okay, this one, the section. So for the section, I need a class for it to be modified. It's not really necessary, but this will make my life easier. Oh, sorry, I got entangled with a lot of tasks. Because I was doing the reversion of the footer from a relative position to absolute position. As you can see, if I don't have any content, but first, thank you Iban for sharing the stream. Okay, as I was saying, if I have this relative positioning, then the footer will go only up to the last element, which means that if I have a few content, for example, if I delete this, then this will look very weird. So what I did a while ago is to revert it back to the absolute positioning, which in a while you will see the difference. So if I delete this again, delete this stuff, it stayed at the bottom. And just in case I go to the page with long content, not the one, yep, like this one, so it's still behaving as a footer, and that's good. So I will commit these changes, reverted footer style to absolute positioning. This is, oh, okay, correct. I thought I made a typo. Now going back to what I was trying to do in the blogs page, so specifically for this long one, to make it easier to read, there's a section I need to add class. Oh, before that, again, I'm doing a lot of before that. I will enable my timer because I'm trying to be strictly time boxed. Blog component should be in the blog. Yep, that's correct. And going to the full blog, I should have here a section. Where is the section? There's no section. But I don't have a section. Full blog. If I'm not mistaken, I removed the section. Yep, I guess I removed that. Okay, I will nest two sections here. It's not really bad because I don't have also a better way. Class full blog. Okay, that should be enough. It's a bad name, but you know, I'm doing a lot of bad naming here. The first thing to do is add a padding of maybe 20%, just to test how will it look. It's looking bad. Okay, I might need to apply the padding only for the left and right, and maybe a hard-coded a constant value to the top. Make it 2 rem or 3 rem. Yep, it's easier to read now, and I won't get tired of reading if it's too long. Though if the content is too long, then it might annoy someone, but I don't mind. I don't know what is a good ratio to regarding the width of the blog. But I think 20% is enough for large devices. Okay. I will add support here for media queries using, where is that, photo detail. Here I will use this media query. If it's very small, then the padding, what percent might be enough? If it's small, so I will make this SM, then 2%. I'm only guessing future, then the result of this. It's just a guesstimate. For medium device, I will make this 20, and for large device, still 20. What will be the result? Of course, I need the variables at import styles. Where's the styles? Variables. Okay, it should only apply to the left and right, so I will add here for small device it will be 1 RAM. For slightly bigger, I'll make this 1.5 RAM. Another guesstimate value for medium device, I'll make this 2 RAM. Or of course, I just realized that I have a variable for padding, so I might as well utilize that. Padding small. For medium, it will be padding medium, and for large, padding large. I don't have a padding large. And why is that so? Okay, it's supposed to be padding big. Now it's looking a bit cleaner. I'm not sure if it's clean to you. And it still looks okay for smaller device, though using Justify might be a better alignment here. I'm not so sure. I'm not a writer. There's a huge jump for this. What should I do here? I'm thinking if I should not make it dependent on the padding, but I'll try to make the size of this section constant. So for full blog, what should I do here? Okay, let me try making this at 10%. Okay, it's not a huge jump. And mm, I'm not so sure if it's readable now. In the first place, I don't know if it will be read. Their layout was nice. It's nice. One thing that I realized is that if it's narrow, it it tends to uh, be it's like you're reading a less, which makes which makes us which make people read more. I'm not so sure. It's just my opinion. So for larger device, what should I do here? I don't know. Maybe I should not focus too much on this. If any one of you have suggestion, please just comment it on what is a better way to structure this. What else do I need? What is this? It's like a navigation indicator. Trying to find this one, how they implemented that. Oh, there's a progress. Okay, I think I can Google that. Google blog reading progress. Nope, too long. Angular progress when scrolling. Scroll progress directive. Okay, they created that. Yep, this is the one I need. Progress container, progress bar, ID scroll bar. Do I need to write some JavaScript? Oh, okay, I need some JavaScript. ng generate directive. Should I do this first? Or should I finish this? I'm not so sure. Okay, I will add a scroll progress, and I will copy this link so I will not forget. Not there, but here. I can tick this, but I will not move it to done. I will focus first on this because as much as possible I want to make it live, this page. Then the first thing that I need to do to convert these events into rich text is, of course, I need to update my entity. Another, of course, is need to commit these changes. Reduce width of blog content. While waiting for that, I'll go to the database entities for the user skill or user experience. In here, I can see that I have a simple array for the events. Instead of that, I might need to use here string only. I'm going to sneeze. Okay. I was able to prevent my sneeze. For the events, I can make it string, and I'm expecting that there will be lots of changes. In my simple array, it should not be simple array anymore, but I'm not sure how to add text, medium text, medium text. Yep, we have a medium text, though. Okay, again, I'm not sure if I really need a medium text here, because okay, I'll just add medium text since there might be some CSS that I need to apply, and that would take too many characters. On the other parts of my module, I'm expecting that there will be some error, but there's nothing showing. Okay, I'll go to the resume component and go to skill. Oh, wait. What did I update? Skill, okay, my bad. I should go to the experience, and in here I should not be listing all of them one by one, but instead I need to use here I just again realized that I should have a used article for the blog, not section. Okay, going back in the blogs, full blog, it might be easier to use this quill view HTML instead. So what should I do here? Going back to the resume, the experience. What I need to do here is to reference to this one, and of course this quill view HTML is dependent on this module that I'm going to add, ngx quill or quill module only. Experience that events. Now I can remove it, and let us check what will be the result. The result is okay, it's wrong. Multiple components much done with tag name. What? Is it not allowed? And if that's not allowed, then it's bad for me. Multiple components match node with tag name quill view. What is the reason for this? You have more than one component with the same selector app lobby. But will view HTML. I only use this. No, sorry, I was going to say I only have here portfolio experience. What if the cause of this is because I cannot use this to multiple modules? Oh, actually just do usage of this in the experience and in the full blog content. What does that mean? Multiple. I guess that I need to use here inner HTML and then experience that events. It's not a long-term solution, but as we can see now, I have my events. Nope, I don't have my events. It's just compiling, but there's nothing to show actually here. What is the response for my experiences? The event is actually empty. Why is that so? Oh, okay. Again, I realize it's because I modified the structure, and since it's not compatible, it's just a guess. Type ORM treat the I don't know if it's type ORM related or the MariaDB. So what happened is that instead of trying to figure out what should be the valid content, they just removed the whole content. That's just a guess. Okay, there's no events, so I will add something here. How do I add something here? P test P. That should be enough. If I refresh, I'm getting here P test, but what I want is the inner HTML counterpart of that. Okay, I'm getting something here, which is good, but I'm trying. It would be better if I can use a Quill View HTML here. This is the error I'm getting. Multiple components match node with tag name. Multiple component error. I thought it would be very easy. But if I'm not mistaken, I don't have a. I did not define it. It's in the module, so there should be no harm in here. Do I have here a name? There's no name. A label? There's no labels. Event content. Quill View. I'm exploring the code here, but I actually did not declare it. I use the module, which should be fine. Is there a for root? Okay, there's a for root. Oh, that was my mistake. How stupid of me. I forgot to add for root. I hope I'm right that in my blog module, it should be in the blog module of the front end. Yep, I actually used the for root function to import the NGX quill. And it's nice again to be back here, because it will make the implementation much easier, and I can format it the way I want to. I don't need this one, and it's formatted. Not sure if better. Oh, there's a unnecessary. What's this? It's a padding since it's green. If you're not aware, I can remove the padding of the top QL editor padding. So what I can do is, again, this is not good. I mean, I don't know if it's good or not, because they allowed us to, but in some of the code scanning tool, or it's flagging as an error. Div QL editor. What I need to do here to do the trick is to add ng diff Not sure if it's 2 colon or single colon. Yep. So now I don't have the padding, which is, I don't know if it's good or not. Okay, what if I add 1.5 and 1 rem? Don't know. Did not notice the difference. Okay. I will focus on the content creation. To be able to use this effectively in my profile or in my resume admin, I need a way here to modify my details. It's the same concept as the blog. So if I write a post, oh, there's nothing in the post. That's weird. But I do have something here. Oh, I'm unauthorized. And that's a good sign that our authorization is working. It means that if I go to the blogs, it's saying here that we cannot access those unpublished one. So if we want to access even the unpublished, I need to log in and enter literally password. And for the admin again, blogs. Now I can see even those unpublished. Oh, okay. So I guess that I need to add some status here if it's published or not. Add status for published for blog. It's just a front-end task. And since it's easier than this, and I already accomplished the usage of single data string, I can put this to done for now. Of course, I will continue with it later. Converted list of events to single rich text. I will move this to done. Okay. This can be converted into a new feature because I think it's hard. Convert to card. So for the blogs, I'll just move this to done and move it to the backlog. For this sprint backlog. Again, I need to add a label. It's just a front-end task. For the events, I updated and I use HTML viewer. But I also need to... Okay, no need. I was thinking that I need to change something in the blog admin, but in the first place, blog admin is not created yet. So in the sprint backlog, I will create create event resume modifier in admin page. I need to add here front end, also back end, of course. For the checklist, CRUD for events, CRUD for skills, CRUD for what else? In my resume, I have work skills, certifications, and the experience. So CRUD for experience. First things first, I need to to add a status for in here, so it will be easier when I'm in the admin page. I can easily see if it's published or not. Then I can apply something here, like if it's unpublished, then I can simply click publish, And that's it. That would be in the admin blogs, list blogs, and okay, before I forget, change a section to article for blog content. The first thing to do here is to add here some label. I can put the label here. Span. Okay, for now I will hard code the word published. I can see here that there is a publish, but I need to modify its style. So for the position, I want it to be absolute. Say index is 1, and it should be in the bottom. Left would be 0 as well. But the problem here is I guess that the back sizing of this is, it should be more what? Oh, okay. There's a padding, that's why it's outside of the box. So instead of a bottom 0, I need to make it 1 rem and 1 rem as well, or make it 2, and bottom would be 2. Instead of padding, I will use paragraph. Wait, it's a bit too high. I will add a class here, published. If I hit refresh, it would be here, but instead of using span, I will use paragraph here, so it will react, or yeah, it will react to the size. So for example, if I make this smaller, the font size will it will be reactive, or it should be responsive, sorry. Okay, the next thing to do here is to check whether if it's published or not. It's quite easy. So if blog.published, then what I will write here is published, else unpublished. Wait, they are all okay. I thought they are all unpublished. This is published, that's why I could not see this unpublished. But okay, I'll go to this draft one. I need to edit that draft one, and if I hit update blog, there are no changes. That's one thing that I need to consider, because because previously I'm just checking if there's a difference in content, title, and tags. So in the update blog, I need to add another button here, which should be publish and this will be only shown ng if do we have a blog here? Yep, we do have. So this will only be shown blog that published is equals to false if it's not published yet. And I will apply the second update here. I mean the second condition. So this update blog will only be shown if the blog is published. Of course, I need to update the coloring. Should not be worn, but the primary color. There is some error here because it's showing that the publish is undefined. And why is that so? In the network, publish is actually false, which is correct. That's weird. ng if blog.published. That should be working. Unless there is really no value. Okay, so what I'm thinking, why is it happening? Blog. In my experience, this can be easily fixed if I add in the whole wrapper or the parent tag an ng if, and I will check for the blog. If the blog is existing, then only these child elements will be rendered, and that's what's happening here. But the side effect is that it's not even displaying the whole content. Oh, okay. I realize that that's not really the cause, but instead in here, where did I see this blog? This.blog that subscribe fetching blog, and it's trying to return wait this.blog. Wait, it should be correct. So we have a published. Hey, this should be correct. Oh. Oh. I'm getting an error here. ngIf published. What I can do is add a double negation here, but it did not fix the issue. Cannot read publish of undefined. That's weird. It should be existing. I will add here a blog that blog JSON to check if it's not really existing. See, I have here a blog. So this might be really caused by the ngIf blog. If it's not created, then it's not being rendered. Yep. Now I don't get the error, but still weird. Hello Israel, thank you for liking. Can you do me a favor and share this to your friends as well? Those who want interested in programming, of course. I can remove the console log now. Still, I'm not so confident with what happened here, because I'm expecting that if I add here the ngIf, it should still work. Blog. But what was happening earlier is that it's not rendering the component as a whole, and that's really weird. Anyway, I'll just go back to the topic. So if it's published, then I will the message should be update blog. If it's not published, then it should be, the word should be publish, and it's the one, it's correct. I'm going to check for unpublish, sorry, for publish. I'm expecting that the oh, thank you Israel for sharing. I'm expecting that if I click this, it should be update blog, and it's correct. Now what I need to do is, instead of close event, I need up on publish blog handler. What it will do is very similar to the update, but update blog. This is again very bad coding. Okay, what? Oh, thank you again, Israel, for sharing. Do you see that you're adding some I don't know, in the tip class? I don't know how it's called. It's called, actually called the jar. It's like giving donations. I'm not sure if we can make this full, this glass. In this published is equals to true. Okay, let me try if this will really work. I will check for something that is not published. This unpublished. If I hit and try to publish it, there are no changes, which is not really the one I'm expecting. Is value changed? Okay, on this one, if value change or this that blog that published is the negation. So if it's unpublished, then I can simply execute this lines of code. If I try to publish this unpublished, the title is unpublished. Okay, I'll just go to the blogs, and we cannot see unpublished here a title with that blog with the title. Sorry. If I click publish, updated, published successfully, but I'm not sure if it worked. If I hit refresh, oh, we get this, and so it means that it's working. I accidentally clicked, that's why it went to this, but I don't have an option to unpublish. Do I need that? I guess I need it. Okay, going back. So if there's a publish, I should support for unpublishing. Unpublish. Is unpublish one word or two word? Unpublish. It's one word. Okay. It will only be visible if it's a publish, of course. So for this one, on unpublish, I will create very similar to this one, but with a different content. I mean, slightly different content. The only difference here is that this will run if this is published, and the difference here is that it will be false. And since I have lots of duplicate code here, it will be a good idea to create a private method patch blog date method, patch blog. I will get this, and instead of hard coding the condition there, I will make it changeable. So condition, which should be a boolean, if condition, what else, this publish, is published, which is also a boolean. What else? I guess that's all. That's the bad thing about not having a unit test. I don't know if I will mess this code or not. Okay, trust my instincts. This that patch blog. The condition will be this one, and for that the expected publish value, I'm expecting it to be false. Almost similar to this one, aside from this should be true, and this should be the other way around. And for this one, if I'm trying to update the blog, then I'm expecting this to be published. So true. So the only difference is with this OR. Okay, less redundant code. And I have here unpublish, which if I try to click, I haven't tested this. If I click this unpublish and if it's successful, then if I refresh this, I should not be seeing this one. Oh, great, it's working. I should also update the message. There are no changes, blah 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 blah. If it's successful, yeah, okay, this should be enough. I don't need to be very explicit with the types, with the exact message. Anyway, for the list of blog, I'm seeing that I'm having a larger gap in the second and the third button. Is there something here? Oh, thank you again, Israel. It's 3 in a row. Okay, I'm getting here left of 2 rem. Published. Oh, where is that? It's not relevant. This should not be it, but instead I should go to the update and in the submit. Thank you, Rafael Mendoza, for noticing that there is something wrong with the audio. Yeah, this is a typical problem with my setup because I'm using cheap setup here. Maybe you can sponsor. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. Um, yeah, it's caused by my microphone or maybe my actual laptop because it's not a high-end laptop. I can remove this submit class. I hope that it's okay now. The other guy from Twitch said that my voice was like from the Chipmunk. Okay, so I have cancel save draft, but I'm checking why is there this big gap. In the blog, if I try to, okay, it's still working as expected. Okay, thank you again, Raphael, for pointing that out. Yeah, I should I should be talking here nonsense if it's not to you. Oh, what is that English? Sorry. That English sucks. As I was trying to, if I hit cancel, I should be reverted back. I forgot what I was trying to do. Oh, okay. So I was adding this publish button if it's unpublished yet. So it might be a good idea to add here in the update component. I want to add here like an H3 and just to show if it's published or not. What was it again? Blog that publish. If it's published, then I should write here a published else. Okay, so you can hear that my timer is done, but I want to quickly fix this unpublished because this is easy. It's unpublished. Should it be here or somewhere else? I want to put it at the bottom most here, maybe. That's not good. Okay, maybe here, and I will apply the typical positioning display. Sorry, position absolute, bottom 0, left 0. Oops, it's not supposed to be here, but in here. That means that my form should have a positioning of relative. Position relative. Oops. Okay, this is again another problem. I might need to add here ngIf blog. That's so weird. It's not rendering. The ultimate solution for this is to... Oh! I made some mistake. This should be only visible ngIf if there is actually a blog. But why is this not working? I actually have a blog form wrapper. Oh, okay, my bad. It should be here. So now it's here, but again, another bot. I have lots of bot here to make this better looking. I need to add a padding of 2 rem. I need to compensate for that changes. This is hard coding stuff in here. Don't try this at home. We'll add a class published label. Published label. It's bad. Bottom. Oh, there should be a value here. Now I'm having this label, but still not enough. Okay. If I hit something that is already published, I should see, yep, it's published. But there's something weird here in the actions. Okay, I'll fix that tomorrow. I'll save my changes. Added more buttons depending on blog state. On blog published state. That's it for today, guys. Again, thank you for Rafael for pointing the audio issue. Again, this is the date 42 of my 100 days of code challenge. Please like, share, subscribe, follow, whatever. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.